back to the Learn from Home program by Supplementary Volunteer Teachers Organization. In our previous video, we were talking about biodiversity hotspots, okay? And we had done one biodiversity hotspot of India, that is Eastern Himalayas, okay? Now, in today's video, we will be discussing about the second biodiversity hotspot found in India, that is your Western Ghats, okay? Now, what are Western Ghats, okay? These are a chain of hills that run along the western edge of peninsular India. If you look at this rough diagram of our country's map, okay, I have shown only the southernmost part, okay. So this western part, okay, हाम्रो country India को map को जुन चाहिँ western part छ, India को जुन चाहिँ western part छ, यो जुन चाहिँ this chain of there are chain of hills, okay, in the western part of the country. तर त्यसलाई नै हामी के भन्छौं त Western Ghats भनेर भन्छौं. Now, these regions have moist deciduous and rainforest. अब यो region जुन चाहिँ छ, यो Western Ghats जुन चाहिँ छ, यो Western Ghats मा चाहिँ के पाइन्दो रहेछ त भन्दाखेरि these regions contain moist deciduous forest. अब deciduous forest भन्नुको मतलब कस्तो forest भन्दाखेरि the forest, okay, that is dominated by tall trees, okay, broad leaf भएको tall trees हरुले dominate गरेको हुन्छ त्यो forest लाई, okay, अनि जसको चाहिँ leaves हरु चाहिँ seasonally के हुन्छ shed हुन्छ, okay, leaves हरु चाहिँ झर्छ seasonally. र त्यस्तो forest लाई भन्छौं हामी deciduous forest. अनि अर्को के forest पनि हुँदै रहेछ rain forest, okay. rain forest मा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ एकदमै ज्यादा मात्रामा पानी पर्छ त्यहाँनिर अनि rain forest हरु कस्तो पनि हुन्छ एकदमै घना densely packed पनि हुन्छ, okay. So the Western Ghats which is there, these regions have moist deciduous and rain forest. Now, 70% of the amphibians and 62% of the reptile species are found in this region. अब Western Ghats मा total now India मा जति छ amphibians हरु, okay, amphibians हरुमा के आयो त toad आयो, frogs आयो, okay. अब India मा जति total amphibian species हरु छ त्यो total मा चाहिँ 77% चाहिँ कहाँ पाइन्दो रहेछ त Western Ghats मा पाइन्दो रहेछ. अनि इन्डिया मा जति टोटल reptile species हरु पाउँछ, reptiles मा के आयो त crocodile आयो, snakes हरु आयो, ओके. अब reptile species जति टोटल अमाउन्ट मा इन्डिया मा पाइन्छ त्यो टोटल मध्येमा 62% चाहिँ कहाँ पाइन्दो रहेछ फेरि Western Ghats मा नै पाइन्दो रहेछ. र यसले गर्दाखेरि यो हेर्दाखेरि हामीलाई के थाहा हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ it is very rich in biodiversity र त्यसैले नै यो रिजनलाई चाहिँ एउटा बायोडाइभर्सिटी हटस्पट घोषणा गरिएको हो रहेछ. अनि यहाँनिर के पनि पाइन्दो रहेछ त एन्डेमिक स्पिसिसहरु पनि हुँदो रहेछ. र एन्डेमिक स्पिसिस मध्येमा के हुँदो रहेछ भन्दाखेरि नीलगिरी थर, ओके, एन्ड लायन टेल macaque, okay. These are the two endemic species that are found in the Western Ghats region, okay. So in today's video we are talking about Western Ghats, okay. That is one of the biodiversity hotspots found in India. Okay, but Western Ghats, these are the chain of hills that run along the western edge of peninsular India, west part, okay. Now, these regions have, your region ma ke हुँदै रहेछ deciduous forest के हो भन्दाखेरि those forests that are dominated by tall trees, okay, which shed the leaves seasonally. अनि rain forest पनि हुँदो रहेछ. त्यसपछि इन्डियामा जति टोटल एम्फिबियन्स हरु छ त्यो टोटल मध्येमा 70% एम्फिबियन्स चाहिँ वेस्टर्न घाट्स मा हुँदै रहेछ. जति टोटल reptile species इन्डियामा छ त्यति मध्येमा 62% यहाँ पाइन्दो रहेछ, ओके. अनि एन्डेमिक स्पिसिस हरु पनि हुँदै रहेछ, that is your Nilgiri thar and lion-tailed macaque. So this is all about Western Ghats, okay, which is one of the biodiversity hotspot of India. In our next video we will be talking about the remaining two biodiversity hotspots, that is your Indo-Burma and Sundaland. This is much for today. Till then, stay safe. Thank you so much.